living up in Kansas City. Know damn well it ain't where I belong, no, no. Think I quit my job come 5 o'clock. Find my love way back home. Well, my baby said, just what are you trying to prove here? Really want to leave me here all alone. Said I'm tired of staring at this ocean full of Yankees. I'd rather be in Texas on my own. When we were southbound 35, we were heading down the road, hit the border by the morning. Let Texas be on my soul. You let Texas be on my soul. When the tears start to flow about the time that I was leaving, she said, I guess you better take me along. She said that God might have made her born a little Yankee child. Said it's time that I made Texas now her home. So we loaded her stuff on down into my pickup truck. Said adios to all my friends. Called my brother Dave living down in Austin. Said I'm headed home again. Oh yeah, now we were southbound 35. We were heading down the road. I hit the border by the morning. So let Texas feel my soul. Let Texas feel my soul. Up there on the dashboard, holding my hand and wearing only a smile. Said it's gonna be hard just to start all over. Be like her when it makes it all the while. Oh yeah, now we were southbound 35. We were heading down the road, hit the border by the morning. Texas feel my soul. In Texas feel my soul. I got Texas in my soul. I got Texas in my soul.
By the seasons, not a clock on the wall. Stacking hay in the summer, shipping calves in the fall. Rides proud for the brand, he ain't one to complain. Never has much to say, always thankful for the rain. Forever a cowboy, he defines the word grit. His only bad habit, he don't know when to quit. Free is the spirit, that runs through his veins. Forever a cowboy he will remain. Now he's out mending fences